Have you ever wondered while using anything in your daily life? What is the purpose of using that? Many common objects have hidden features that make them more useful and safer. We just keep on using them. Sometimes we discover the reason for particular things, like, yeah, now I know what that thing is there. Otherwise, we ignore the fact and kept going forward. Number one, holes in the earphone. Once in a blue moon, we all must have wondered why there are so many holes here in a single earphone. Let's take an example of the Apple earphone. You must have noticed that it has three holes. One hole is for the speaker, and why the others two? Well, Apple has explained that they allow passing a small amount of air through which the diaphragm of speaker moves back and forth. It enables the frequent transmission which result in better sound quality. Number 2. Taps on tin foil. Half of my life I was in the state of oblivion. How come? I was so blind. Then for every moment when tin foil used to fall or the clinch wrap used to fall. If you will read the instructions carefully, it will tell you on the packaging at each end there will be a triangular mark which you need to press. They actually hold your foil in place. Number 3. The blue side of eraser. Since childhood, I have been fooling myself. Only God knows how many pages I have ruined thinking this would work. Never knew that the blue part of the eraser has always been for which we used to write on the wall or any hard surface, and the red one was for which we used to write on a paper. Now I know this important piece of information and I will definitely pass on this to the coming generation. Number 4. Black hole between flash and camera. That probably hardly dragged anyone's attention about the tiny hole between the camera and the flash. Actually, the tiny hole is a microphone which records the ambient noise, not your voice. Because when you take a picture, our positioning is pretty far from the mouth during that time. It digitally reduces the ambient noise from the main microphone, which gives pretty clear voice on the other side. Number 5. Little pockets on your jeans. Still I wonder why. Why? Oh, I like the style. When? Well, to know the reason, let's sneak into the 19th century where the gold miners or the cowboys from the west used to keep their small things like the watch. That was when the jeans were first invented. Hope you get that right. Number 6. Holes in the pen cap. Well, honestly, I never bothered about the hole in the cap, but my friends used to make their own assumptions that the hole is there for an air passage to keep the pencil drying out. But the real reason behind this is different. If a child accidentally swallows the cap, this hole helps in lowering the danger of suffocation as it helps to pass the air. What an invention, right? Number 8. Cylinders on the laptop charging cord. You must have noticed the cylinders wrapped around the charging cord of your laptop. And do you know what is it for? The little cylinder part is actually called ferrite bead and plays an important role in keeping your laptop running. Every small parts inside a laptop runs because of the radio frequencies. The charging cables acts as an antenna broadcasting your laptop's vibration as radio frequencies and picking up signals which creates interference. The cylinder has chunks of magnetic iron oxides which stops the radio frequencies from interfering with each other. Thanks for watching our videos, guys. If you like these videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified with our new interesting updates.